viewers, today we'll be making tomato basil soup for QQI TV. For that you'll need 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped celery stalk, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add a bit more if you want some. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, fresh basil around 1/3 of a cup, 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, 6 cups of vegetable broth, and 2 tablespoons of thyme, dry thyme, and some oregano. Add your onions, minced garlic, and celery in the hot oil, and saute for about 3 minutes until the onions are like translucent. Now we're just going to add the rest of the ingredients, so that'll be the crushed tomatoes, all the seasonings, the fresh basil, the tomato paste, and our 6 cups of beef broth. We're just gonna bring this to a boil. Okay, it's come to a boil now, so I'm gonna cover it. Simmer it for 15 minutes on a very low heat. I've uncovered it. It's been simmering for 15 minutes, and now I'm going to use this hand blender here to blend it. Now see, our soup is done.
So everyone, thank you for watching this new episode of QQI TV where we made tomato basil soup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't done already, please hit that bell icon so you will be notified when we post next, and be notified every time we post a new video. Thank you. Bye guys.